Okay, welcome back to today's video. We are making an origami star. I see this pattern every Christmas and it's one of those things I never get round to making, so this year I'm going to try it out of this scrap fabric, which if you saw my other video I made Christmas bunting out of something very similar. So what we need is 4 strips 12 inches by 3 1/8. So that is 12 and 3 1/8. So we're going to fold our strips in half wrong sides together. So I'm just going to quickly finger press these, and then we're going to press them. Basically, you're going to make spice binding. That's those 4 pieces pressed. So unfold the strip, then gonna fold each piece to the crease in the middle. So you're folding it in thirds. And then fold it, so you've got like that, and then fold it in half. So basically the way you make bias tape. And then give it a good press again. So I'll show you that again just in case. So unfold your strip. Fold it in thirds so it meets in the middle. And then fold it in half. And then go give it a good press on your iron. So we've got our 4 strips. And then we want to fold each one in half. And we're going to leave about a 1 inch gap. So it's not folding it fully in half. So fold it so one end is longer than the other by about 1 inch. So we've got our 4 strips. We're going to loosely place them all together. So make sure that the short sides are all facing up. And then this is just basic weaving. Strip number 1, it's going to be this one. So place that down. Your second strip, you're going to open it up, place it all the way around your first strip. We're just going to do this really loosely and we'll pull it all tight together at the end. And then our third strip is going to be this one. And you're going to place it round this one. So you've got one going in each direction. Strip number 4. You're going to place it all the way around strip number 3. But in between, all the way through strip number 1. So you end up with this, and then just pull each one. Then what you want to do is flip it over. So you're going to fold the top piece down, then fold the second piece across, and then fold the third piece up, and then the fourth piece across. So again, they all link. Then you're just going to tuck each one under. So this will get tucked under there. This one get tucked under here. As you tuck this one, make sure this one goes through here. So again, they're all linked and square. And just give them a nice little pull. As you can see, they're all folded. So we're going to start at the top left. So make sure that whatever's on the top left, this is a bend, this is a fold. So bring this down. So you fold it like this. Do 3 in the same direction. And then flip it. And then do the same again. Fold it down. Like so. Then fold this over. And this tail gets tucked under this one. So there's a fold. So if you've not ended up with something that you tuck it under and you've ended up with this, start again, rearrange your work, and try turning it over just to make sure you get the right piece. So we're going to tuck, I'm going to loosen this up a wee bit, tuck this in here, and pull this again. And then this excess tail can snip off. And if you want, you can just put some fabric glue to try and hold it together. So we're going to do our next one. So fold it, so you've got 3 in the same direction. Flip it, fold it in half, and tuck it. This is one. Fold it, flip it, fold it in half, and tuck it. And then trim the end off. Fold it, flip it, fold it. So this I'm just going to snip tail off beforehand. Fold it in half, and then tuck it. Okay, so I've given that a quick press. As you can see, it is far from perfect, but I do think it's important to see not perfect things on the internet, because I've seen so many beautiful origami stars and I just think, oh, they're so beautiful. And then before I would then make this and I'd be like, why is mine so rubbish? Like, and then I get really frustrated, but it is just a matter of practice and precision. So if you wanted, while you're going along, you could put fabric glue in to hold it, but I'm not fussed because I don't have fabric glue to hand. So needle, thread, and then just find a gap in the middle of the top. Pull it through. You want equal lengths. So I'm only going through once because I know it's strong thread. Then just gonna knot the top, just with a reef knot, an overhand knot. Pull it tight, and there you have it. Simple as that. If you're having trouble following my video, there is loads of other good videos on YouTube. So I'm just going to pull this down just to hide the tail bits, snip them off. And there we have it, one origami star. I mean, it's quite thick. I assume it looked good in paper as well. I mean, if I was to make it again, I definitely would glue the ends down, or maybe just a bit of fabric glue in there, just to secure it a bit. Oh, I think it looks quite pretty.